Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube again with another video. Today I'm going to explain you all about SR latch by using NAND gate. So let's have a look at it. Here NAND gate. NAND gate is here. Two inputs. A into A dot B whole bar is NAND gate. If A equal to, let's have a truth table of it. A, B, Q. Q is output. 0, 1. 0 into 1 is what? 1. 0 into 1 is 0. So output is 1. 1 into 0 is 1. 0 into 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 into 1 is what? 1 into 1 is 0. So here this is about the NAND gate truth table. Next we're gonna realize the SR latch by using NAND gate. So let's have a look at it. This is NAND gate. This is NAND gate. Q Q bar S R. So case one. Case one is what here? S R Q Q bar. For the 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 here. For 0 and 0, if this is 0, let's say 0 0, the answer will be, if one of the input is 0, the answer will be 1. So this is 1, this is 1, and this will come here, this will come here. Is this true or false? Say it's not true, because 1 and 1 cannot be used, because q is opposite to q bar. So 1 is not equal to 1 is equal to 1, but q not equal to q bar. So this first case is never used and not true. Invalid. Invalid. Next case is what? 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is what? 1 0. If one of the input is if one of the input is 0, next output is 1. So 1. This 1 will go to this side. 1 1 comma 0. So here 1 0 is 0 comma 1. Do you understood this? Okay. Next, if you take, I am expressing this with star symbol. So understand it. 0 star, 1 star. 0 star means what? If one of the input is 0, output is 1. So here 1 star. Next, if one of the input is 1, the output may be 0. If the second input may be 0 or 1, so output may be 0 or 1. So here I am using 0 star 1. This 1 will go to this side. 1 1 star comma 1 star. 1 into 1 is what? 1. So 0. This also stays true. 0 0 1 1 0. Now memory element. Memory element is what? Let's have a look at it. 1 1. For 1 comma 1, if another is gap here, another having gap, so here we can fill 0 or 1. So here if we fill 0, the output will be 0, the output will be 1. If we fill 1, If we fill 1, the output will be 0. So here there is a contradiction. So here we will understand it easily. If I take 1 comma 0 here, this will go to this side. 1 comma 1, 1 1, 1 1 is 1 into 1 is what? 1 1 0. So here it is previous input 0, and present output is also 0, is also 0. Here also the same thing happens. Here 1 is there, so here 0 is there. Send to this side. 1 into 0, 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 NAND gate is what? 1. So it is previous input, previous output, so equal to present input, present output. So this is all about the realization of SR latch by using NAND gate. So in the next video, I am going to explain you all about realization of uh, realization of SR latch by using NOR gate. Thanks for watching, friends. This is SR latch realization. Realization means designing by using NAND gate. So thanks for watching, friends. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, the bell icon, and activate the notification bar. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.